How can you swim in the Lubok River? Oy, just only eating there and the kuan, Lubok cottage. But so expensive, Jeffrey, no, 1,000 peso. You know, before just only 400 peso, but now maybe 800 or 1,200. I'm not sure. No, crocodile. The crocodile is only in the Malacanang. So many crocodile there in Malacanang. 1,200. You see? The 1,200. See? Because before this is only 4,500. That was maybe 10 years ago, and then 800 maybe 5 years ago, and then now is 1,200. Oh my God, so very expensive. But maybe the food is so very nice.
Once in a time lang naman, once in a life naman yan.
Kung gusto ka magkuhan. And then there's so many dancing.
Mga seafoods ito dang.
So many seafood. Bohol is so very expensive, you know.
Very expensive. Daghay mong daga, malinaw. Sulit kayo sa Bohol tiang.
What about Luway? Lupok.
Ibaw ka.
Ay, Lubok. Luway River.
Bisag 10,000 ra nga.
Luway is also good food there. You must try.
All over ito na, Bohol.
All over the world.
Oo, 10,000 ban.
10,000. Roon Bohol na siya. Pero kung chocolate ra ka, tagbilaran mga kanang blood kumpak, kanang mga sagbayan pikay, just only 7,000.
Para sulit, all over.
Pero daghanan mo.
Magstay mo ni Scott na ay barato dito ng beach.
Ay, bulay na po ng barato.
Hotel.
I never go there. Oy, you go there in Luway.
Ay, no. Sa Catrinas.
Yes,
Luway.
Luway.
Property dito.
Luway, Jeffrey.
Sa
The food is
Catrinas,
so very nice.
food
Even
kayo.
it's so very expensive, but you know, say ka na lang ka ng
Jeffrey's
swak.
favorite place is Bohol. Bohol, favorite.
Your favorite place is Bohol. Oh my God. Why don't you choose the wife in Bohol?
So, lagi, taga Bohol, lagi yung uyab.
Luway, L-O-A-Y. Luway.
Taga Bohol, mali yung uyab.
I never.
Kaya, sila, Bohol.
Mo ni gituan ni madiridan na. Nice kayo ti at.
Asa man ang
So many property there, Jeffrey. But you know
Nice
you
kayo.
know, so
Ganahan
very
kayo kung
expensive.
ganahan mo dun. Diba, diri sila madiro.
In Panglao. In
Kaning
Panglao.
cottage, diri sila.
Sagbayan
Ang
is
dagat
just like
na mulapas kaning kuan.
Sagbayan. I
Naanay og naay kaslo
quite
na mga
not
program ay
crowded,
kaslo.
but
Kani oh. Nice kayo.
Yunus Bayan
Wala kong
is
stand.
so
Wala
very
kaslo ni
far
Scott.
from
Ari
the
ko, ari man.
city.
Dako kayo lugar.
But you know, Dawis,
Oh, nice kayo.
Sagbayan is
Ang kaning
not
palit ari ko,
so very near in Carmen, but I don't know.
ang atbangan ni naay duha
I
ka.
prefer you in
duha ka
Dawis,
chikinanan.
which is
Pwede
near
mag-overnight.
from the
O,
city.
panangitan ka mo dito. Mag-overnight ha, pwede ta mag-overnight dito.
But Sagbayan, so far away.
Pag dako dagat, pwede mag-night swimming. Nice lagi kayo na malingaw na imong bata.
You know, Dawis near from the
Amo-amo ni guys si
beaches,
Ax.
near from the
Kani-kani
airport,
kani.
near from the city,
Kani-kani diri yan ay
near in the hospital.
Amuan ang balay.
Ilakaw dito, alauna na.
Ay,
Diha bitaw mi.
dira diha dito.
Sus, kinukog bahunas kay persang pangitaman. Ginoo ko. Hunas kayo.
Hunas kayo.
Yung dalagat.
Daghan. Alagan hunas ganina na hunas
Hunas sa mausay, pero nindot di kayo kung kamao ka manginhas.
Manginhas.
Daghan si kay kuha. Abi ko
Grabe na ginahas na
Mga
kay.
nasa mga unom to ka kartis ni nga nga aninikad.
Di pa himuslan pag hunas nanginhas sila nindot og hunas.
I see nice beach property near Tubigon. Which Tubigon? You know my ex-husband Jeffrey is in Tubigon. I see a nice beach property. Which in Tubigon? Which place? Makaas, Panaytayon, Mandaog, or Kahayag? Where?
Nagsubayan na daw.
Oh. Which place, my dear Jeffrey, in Tubigon? 50 meters. Oh, maybe in Matabaw. Matabaw? Tubigon?
Not sure.
Or